Welcome to Mappa's Art Studio!
Hey everybody, I'm back. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm so glad to be back in the studio and creating and just sharing my art with all of you. I know it's been a bit of a break, but I'm excited to dive into something that I've been wanting to try for a while now. So today I'm going to be combining two techniques. It's a wandering straight pour with a white pearl base coat. My last video I did a pearl pour using purples, so I thought that I'd do it again because it really turned out well. I was really satisfied with it. Now I'm pretty sure that this combination with the wandering straight pour with the pearl base has probably been done before, but this is me just experimenting and having fun and just seeing where it takes me. So this piece is ocean inspired because, well, I mean, I live on an island after all. So it has a lot of custom blue mixes that I've been working on. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here a while, I really appreciate your support. Now, let's get into the art. Oh, and don't forget, please leave a comment, let me know what you think of today's experiment. Now, let's really get into it.